How to assemble the Breeze step-by-step guide. In this video, we'll walk you through each step to ensure you set up your Breeze unit correctly and efficiently. Let's begin. Before we begin, unpack your Breeze box. Remove all cardboard packaging and take out every part. Lay them out to verify that you have all the components listed in the parts list. There will be 3 sets of keys: 1 lower unit, 1 upper unit, 4 levelers and hex nuts, 8 bolts, lock washers, and flat washers, 8 steel channel screws, 4 rubber bumpers and hex screws, 2 steel channels to secure wires, and 1 power cord. You will also need the following tools: a hex key, which is included. Not included, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 14mm wrench, an adjustable wrench or 14mm socket wrench. Step 1. Let's start by attaching the levelers. Position the lower unit upside down as it comes in the box. Screw the 4 levelers into the 4 holes on the bottom of the lower unit. Step 2. Assemble the upper and lower units. Flip the lower unit upright. Carefully place the upper unit on top of the lower unit. Align the holes between the 2 units. Use the 8 bolts, lock washers, and flat washers to secure the lower unit to the upper unit. Secure tightly using a 14mm wrench, an adjustable wrench, or 14mm socket wrench. Step 3. Now let's handle the wiring. Open the top of the upper unit. Take the 4 blue-white wires from the upper unit labeled 24, 25, 26, and 27. Feed them through the designated hole on the upper unit so they come out the back of the unit. Connect the 4 blue-white wires from the upper unit to the red, yellow, black wires from the lower unit. Match the numbers when connecting the 2 sets of wires. Step 4. Secure the wires using the 2 steel channels. Attach the steel channels with the 8 screws provided, using a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 5. We will install the rubber bumpers. Position each rubber bumper onto the designated spots on the unit. Secure each bumper using the 4 hex screws provided. Step 6. Plug the power cord into the designated receptacle on the upper unit. Optional step: for added stability, you have the option to secure the Breeze unit to a wall. This step is optional, and please note that tethers are not included. Final checks. Ensure all parts are securely fastened and the unit is stable. Confirm all wires are properly connected according to the diagrams. And that's it. Your Breeze unit is now fully assembled and ready to use. If you encounter any issues during assembly, please visit our website, www.zephyrsecure.com/breeze, or contact customer support at 203-743-2976. Thanks for watching and enjoy your Breeze.